natin. Kasi baka may mga matapos. Kasi hindi siya kasya sa...
Saka baka hindi pwede may matapos.
Oh, yun lang. So parang...
Yun lang ko eh. Sabi ng Kevin Choi, ito, siguro, ang estimate na ito, 11 dito.
Oo,
So, pwede kaya, lagyan natin yung 1 and 1 dito, tapos usahin natin sa mga... Parang ko na ba?
Ako kasi.
Pwede!
Sasalin para makita natin kung gano'ng marami dapat
Ah!
Wait, wait.
Yun yung practice natin.
Let me think about if it's valid.
Yeah. Kaso kasi,
Kasi alam naman natin.
Kasi that's a good, ano, pero baka ano. Wala namang ano eh. Pero kasi, estimate lang. Kasi, sabi ni Kuya Perks yung cost, 250, pero estimate lang niya. So, we're just, ano,
And that we don't technically know.
yeah.
estimate din.
Estimate
Oo,
din naman,
oo.
oh no, 150. Oh, sige, let's try. Ay, pero, hindi ba?
Sige, ano na lang. Di ba yung babalik pa kayo kay Kuya first draft? You tell him our strategy. At least give him 2 options na strategy. What if, what if? Yung
Okay,
sabi
so
ni
Okay,
Kanaka.
let's
So the first strategy is, punuin natin ng
Sige.
11, let's say 11, estimated natin na 11. Tapos,
Ay, paano?
Yeah. Yeah, parang
so each, lalagyan. And then, lahat ng objects, yun na yung maglalagay sa container.
Yeah.
That's
Para
the first strategy.
makagamit tayo ng 11.
Is everyone amenable to that strategy?
Wait, so you fill that up to what you
So that's
think
the first
is
one.
Yes,
inevitable,
sir.
and then you pour it into every single one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
But that's the first strategy. Kasi, ano pa ba?
Ah.
You have to think about another one. Kasi, makabawal.
Just
Pero,
about
hindi naman ano, kasi estimate naman hindi natin. So,
Yeah.
let's think about
Sige, let's think of another. I think another is yung suggestion
Landy.
ni Binsoy. Ano si Binsoy? Yung strategy na lahat, tansyahin, di ba? Like, tansyahin natin, lagay, tansya, and then lahat.
Hindi, yung sa akin, ano,
Oh, sorry. I wasn't explaining it clearly.
diba ganito, kunwari, ito estimated ko, dito, yan, sa dito,
I think that's one pasa-pasa.
yan dito.
Where?
Parang 20 kasi ko eh, dito, ito, parang
Nandiyan na yan.
estimated ko dito, ganyan. So, ang ilalagay ko lang, mga dito lang,